The main reason why you claim you don't like okra soup is because you've not tasted the best, and I'm here to show you the best. In the pot, you want to add in some beef or some protein of your choice, then some stockfish filling, some chopped up onion, some peppers, some seasoning cubes, and some salt. Mix that well to combine and allow that to steam for some minutes. Now, in a separate bowl, you want to add in some crayfish, some peppers, a combination of red and yellow, then some onion and some ogiri and dawa. That is the perfect combination. You want to blend that and set that aside. The meats have been steaming for about 15 minutes right now. I'm just going to add in enough water to cook this meat to perfection. And do not forget, I'm making plain okra soup. I'm not adding ogbono to this, so I'm just going to divide the okra into two. I'm going to blend or grate some. I'm going to chop up some. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to check on the meat and it's properly cooked at this point. I'm going to add in my panla fish, then I'm going to add in my blended ingredients, some palm oil and enough water to serve as a soup base rather. Then I'm just going to allow that to come to rolling boil. In a separate pot, I'm going to add in some water, then add the okra that I grated or blended, and I'm going to beat that till it is slimy. Now back to the soup, I'm just going to introduce the okra which I just boiled. I'm going to add it in, then I'm going to mix everything well to combine before I introduce the okra that I cut. Then I'm just going to add my vegetable just for seasoning, and that's it. Tell me why you don't love okra soup. The full recipe is on my YouTube channel as cookingchi_recipes. Follow for more.